Good morning! I have become such a morning person in quarantine.
Oh my God, no.
Not anymore. I've also been drinking lots of coffee every morning. So I've been up for about an hour. I walked outside and it is beautiful in Dallas, Texas. 75 degrees, it's sunny out, and I figured, why don't I wash my car? And that's an activity that actually really isn't that fun, but we're gonna make it fun. I'm bringing you guys with me. Yes, I'll show you my outfit. So this top came from Macy's. I bought it in the winter time, so it was on the clearance rack, but usually when you shop in the clearance, you're doing a little mix and match. Luckily, that's cute, that's in style, so I have this top. I do not have matching bottoms. My bikini bottom is from Victoria's Secret many years ago. I'm sorry, you can't get them now, but they're pretty cute. They're cheeky, but not too cheeky. And then over them, I'm going to wear fabric bottoms because I just feel a little bit better about having some coverage for this video. These bottoms are from Kohl's, but I got them a while ago because when I was in college, fabric bottoms were all the rage. They were so cute, but there was a little dilemma that kept happening on campus. People would get up from class, put on their backpack, and the backpack would like catch on to the bottom. So girls would walk around with a butt cheek hanging out on campus. And I saw it more than once. And whenever I would wear my fabric bottoms, I was terrified. I always did like a triple check before that. Yes, in my drawer over there, I do have a lot of fabric bottoms. I still wear them. I think they're cute. However, these ones, I shrunk in the wash. I can't wear them just like on daily use. So these are just gonna go over as like a swimsuit cover up. And one more thing, and I kind of hate that I have to bring this up, but some of you guys are so observant, you're gonna leave a comment, so I'll just tell you now. I got a vaccine in my arm. It has a little bit of a reaction to it. It's a little swollen, there's a little bump there. It keeps me up at night because it hurts. I just took a Tylenol, so I think we're gonna be good, but if you see me kind of like be a little weak in the arm, I don't know. It's feeling better now that the Tylenol's kicked in, but still, that's why. Okay, I'm really gonna try my best here because my car is dirty and it needs washed pronto. So, on to the footage you guys care about, the car wash. Welcome to my backyard. You've seen it before, but if you open up the fence, you get to my driveway. I pull my car around there. I'm a Kia kind of girl, so I used to have a Kia Optima. It looked like an old person's car. People would make fun of it. It was so great though, so reliable. So I went straight to Kia when I needed a new one, and I got a Kia Forte, 2017 model, purchased in 2018. So I got like a really good deal on it. It's a silky silver. I am in love with it. I know it's not the fanciest car, but this is going to be bougie, okay? This is a bougie car. If you knew the turning radius of it, you would realize how this is A+ car. So pretty much this is like an at-home car wash kind of deal. We don't do this that often, but we have our bucket and a hose. The internet says that we can use the soap you use to wash your dishes. I'm fine with that. I have an indoor cleaner, and then I have certain rags. Like this one's a bit rougher to do the exterior. And then I have like a microfiber rag that kind of does a lot better with the windows because you don't want the streaks. I'm trying my best here, okay? So let me take a look. I'm gonna bring you guys a bit closer. You can see my car, and feel free to leave a compliment in the comments because like I said, bougie. It's incredibly dirty. I will insert a montage for you. Want it sudsy, so we're gonna put the soap in first, not too much. Ooh, let me bend over and turn the hose on. Ooh, I'm all wet, I'm all wet. I think I'll just fill this up halfway, but while we have the pressure hose on, let's give my car a rinse off so you don't even bother wasting all the soap. There is still so much pollen matted on my car that I thought power washing would actually do some damage, but it didn't at all. And also, my neighbor is watching me, so it's gonna be a little awkward here, but I'm an entertainer. So I'm going to be washing my car again, and it's only been a week, so it's already clean, but I kind of needed more footage to like make the watch time go up on the video, and I needed a thumbnail, so it made sense. So I'm gonna rewash my car and you're just gonna enjoy it. So it is the same spiel, same thing that I did last time with the dishwasher soap and the bucket. It's going to be a lot hotter and sexier, except for not really, because you can see like now I have a cover up on. But my the cover up is from Nordstrom's clearance department many years ago, so I don't think you can get it. I had a gift card, so I shopped. And then this was clearance rack of Macy's, but I showed you guys that in a haul video in the past. Let's car wash. Time to get my car all wet. Now it's time to add the soap. Ooh, ooh. Some people name their car, but I'm not like that. So my car doesn't have a name, but I think it's really pretty. I really like my car, just not enough to name it. But maybe you guys have a name for your car. So if you do, let me know in the comments so I can judge you. But I'll be honest, like I'll tell you if your car name is cute or not, or like weird. Wow, it's so clean already. Oh wait, okay, 1 second. It kind of has a little bit of a buildup. Is this good? Are you in my shadow though? So that took about 2 minutes. And so I feel like I don't want the soap settling on my car. So of course I gotta do a final rinse off. Now it is time to clean the inside of my Kia Forte so I can give you guys the complete car tour. So this is probably the most dramatic transition because it is several months later. And during all of these months, I still haven't touched the inside of my car. And I just haven't needed to, but I still wanted to finish this video because I do love my car. I was excited to show you the inside of my Kia Forte, get a cool like montage going like they do with the Ferraris. But so now I got to actually do some labor to make it look nice for you. Check it out. I am mic'd. Okay, that's just my butt. I have a mic. I think that's going to be top quality content, but my hair keeps messing up. So I was outside earlier and it was nice, like really nice in Dallas, Texas. And then I don't know what happened. I guess it's like the universe knew that I started doing actual labor outside and it got hot. I know my mom was vacuuming her car and that's like what I heard in the house. But then when I came outside, she was vacuuming my car and I was like, oh my God, like it's, the dirtiness is what I need to show for the views. So she left. She says this is gonna be like a 2-hour process, which probably is. It's not that bad. I know some YouTubers will wait like several years before emptying out their car, or like they practically live in their car. That's not me. Probably because just in Texas, your car just bakes, you know, like, but basically I got clutter and a lot of hair and crumbs, like all in the back seat. The front seat, I bet, has so much of my hair. I shed like crazy. I shed like an animal. Yeah, this, it's just gross. Am I stalling?
Yeah.
Ew. Candy wrapper from Olive Garden. I don't know, that's pretty good taste. Paper, pencil, but look at it. Is this like a pit of something? Like, ugh. Okay, at least it's dry. There's no way it's germy because it's been baking in the sun, but I'm throwing that away. These, I don't know, they'll just end up in a landfill and they look in pretty good condition. So gonna reuse these. You know, you can just reuse things 20 times. I think these are just mail receipts. This is a perfectly good Kleenex. I don't know, I feel kind of guilty. It's a perfectly good Kleenex. Ugh. It smells like food was in it. Oh, I always make sure to have 2 sunglasses in my car. One for me, and then another one, like if I have a guest in my car. Tissues. No, these are napkins with the letter B on them. All this mail, it's junk mail. It'd be one thing if the post office like didn't know, but I've told them so many times and they just don't seem to care. Like I'll actually give it back to them, be like, this is not me, and then they'll put it back in my P.O. box. So like when I open it up, I'm like, oh my God, I got mail. No, I did not get mail. However, I have the P.O. box for various reasons, and a big one is that you can mail me a horse head. Actually, don't do that. If you do not send me any dead animals, I feel bad that I even joked about it because there's crazy people out here. Ooh, a hair tie. I think everything I have here makes sense. I have my little toiletries of period products. I hate it when there's an emergency, and a nail filer because that is just as big of an emergency. This is going in my trunk. So the rug's not perfect. Maybe I'll do a lint roller. Kind of feels like it's a waste of a lint roller. It's not perfect, but like, will it ever be perfect? I don't know if I care. Also, I found a penny, which I think is really just for my car. It's probably the best that I'm going to do, and I only dropped my phone once. I'm looking, and I think I did a good job. I feel like that's the best it's going to be, and then I'm okay with. So moving on, I want to do the interior. So we like to use Armor All multi-purpose cleaner. Look at me clean my car. It's real nice. Supposed to rain tomorrow, so I mean, I was kind of gonna have that be my car wash because it needs it, but apparently, you know, you still got to do a little bit more. That's not gonna get rid of the heavy gunk, or, you know, it's gonna leave water spots. So I guess I'll do something to the exterior. But okay, my mom found this really cool glass spray, and it was very gimmicky. You know, a salesperson showed it to her and she was like, okay, like, but she decided to buy a bottle. It is amazing. So I was like, I have to show this on camera. So recommended to me, recommended to you. I'll link it down below if I find it on Amazon. So here is the spray. It's an Here is the spray. It's an FW1 wash and wax, and it's primarily for windows, but you can treat certain spots, but you don't want to spray this on top, like on all of your car. That's a lot to do. But there's a bit of a process. So you need to shake it, then you'll apply it to the windows, use a terry cloth, and then later a microfiber cloth. I'm not gonna bother doing all of the windows on camera, but there was a spot that kind of looks like, honestly, it looks like the paint is coming off. But like when I rub my nail over it, it's rough. Oh wait, I missed it. There you go. No, I still see it. Okay, I can feel it snagging on the microfiber, so that's just long gone. So we got one more spot. Come on, I think it's a scratch. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and of course, if you want to see more car wash videos, let me know. I will probably put them over on the second channel. I have a second channel, Lesley Rowland Life, so go check that out. But talk to me in the comments, like this video for the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you next time. Love you, mean it. Bye guys.